community. Today I'm going to be making oatmeal breakfast cups. Yeah! The ingredients you'll need is old-fashioned oatmeal, milk, whatever kind of milk you like, sea salt, some bowls, a whisk, a spatula, measuring cups, honey, cinnamon, baking powder, 2 bananas, 4 eggs, pure vanilla extract, cocoa powder, chocolate chips, and over here, the muffin container, and then muffin holders. Let's get started. Now we're gonna preheat the oven to 350. Now we're gonna pour some of old-fashioned oats, and it's gonna be 3 cups. So if you want to count with me, you can. Digging. That's 1. 2 more. 2 and 3. That's a lot. Okay, next we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of baking powder. It's gonna explode. Next, we have half a teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, I'm gonna do it over here. Whoa, I think that's good. Now, the next step is for 4 beaten eggs. So, 4, we got 4. 1, 2, 3, whoa, 4, yay! Oh, my hands. Now it's time to mash 2 bananas. Okay, so I got 2 bananas. Whoa, I feel like a superhero. 1, 2. Milk. And guys, you can do whatever kind of milk you want. So let's do it. Whoa. This is tiring. Kind of looks like Jello. Because Jello is kind of sticky. Not sticky, but Scooby. Like, didn't they get it from Jello? That comes out fast. I knew it. That was vanilla extract. It came out faster. Now we're gonna stir it. It's gooey. Now that we mixed it all together, we're gonna wait 10 minutes for it to set. Cause it's like all liquidy, and then when it's done, it'll be not as liquidy as like your oatmeal is. You put it in the microwave, and then it's not as liquidy. While we're waiting, we're gonna pour half into the other container to make double chocolate. Okay, it's liquidy, so it's gonna go faster. While we're waiting, we're gonna put the liners in. There. Now it's time to pour cocoa powder in with 3 teaspoons, but this is 1, so we're gonna do 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to do 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. So I'm going to use my trusty scissors. Now we're gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes to 0. Okay, let's do it. Hi, I'm filming Serafina cam. Hey, what you doing? Huh? I'm really looking forward how these turn out. 2, 1, 0. Beep. Now we're gonna let them cool. Now that they have cooled, we're gonna put them on the plate. Now it's my favorite part. It's time to taste it. But who should I call? Luca!
Yeah.
You wanna try my delicious breakfast cup muffins?
Sure. They're stuck to this.
How does it taste, Luca?
Okay. There's barely any flavor in these.
There is?
There's barely any.
I taste flavor. Tastes good. Luca, how much percent is it?
Like 70.
Why not 100?
Because there's no flavor.
Just that, Luca? Oh. Oh guys, remember to smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my baking community. Bye!
What?
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Serafina the Unicorn Baker. This is my unicorn pose. Before we get started, smash that thumbs up.
Cut. What happened?
I got hair in my nose.
Cut. 2, 1.
Now it's time to add 1/4 cup of honey. How do you... Ow. Getting angry.
Cut.
It ruined my finger. It's red.
Cut.
Oh no, maybe switch. Whoa.
Cut.
Was that supposed to happen? No, it's gross.
Cut.